Hi, my name is Larry D. Williams, and in this video, I'm going to show you a way as to how you can get unlimited free lead magnets to use from whatever business that you're involved in. It doesn't even matter if you're involved in affiliate marketing, network marketing, Shopify, we got you covered. The only thing you have to do is stay right there. So let's go. Hi, my name is Larry D. Williams, and yes, the D is for driven, and I'd like to welcome you to this short video where I'm going to reveal to you how you can get your hands on unlimited free lead magnets to use for whatever business that you're involved in. That's right, unlimited free lead magnets that you can get access to. It doesn't matter what you're involved in. If you're involved in network marketing, you can get access. If you're involved in affiliate marketing, you can get access to them. If you're involved in Shopify, you can get access to them. Even if you're out there building a brick and mortar business and you're trying to figure out how to break into the online space to build your business, you can get access to those free lead magnets as well. So I'd like to welcome you. But now, before I get into what I'm about to share with you, and I'm going to do the best I can to keep this short, I'd like to ask you to do me 3 favors. Number 1, I'd like to ask you to like this video. Like this video, give me a like, support the content because it is going to be something that's very valuable and useful to you. And number 2, I'd like to ask you to share this video with everyone. Share this video with everyone so they can come over, see the video, tap into these free resources themselves. And number 3 is a big one. I'd like to ask you to smash that subscribe button, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And the reason why is because, as you will see in this video, I'm basically sharing nothing but value, nothing but content. And then also, there will be occasions where I put videos on YouTube and they have a time limit on it. And if you subscribe to my YouTube channel, you will be one of the ones to get access to the information before it expires. And that way you won't miss out. And so by all means, subscribe to my YouTube channel. So now, let's get into our video where I'm going to reveal to you how to get unlimited free lead magnets. Okay, so now, where I'm at right now, this is actually on my desktop. I wanted you to see so far a lot of the lead magnets that I have compiled. Okay, and actually, to be honestly truthful with you, this isn't half of what I have. Okay, and so you will be able to do the exact same thing. There's so many different categories that I have for as lead magnets. Okay, I'll click on I'll give you an example. This one right here, AI chat GPT prompts. Okay, then another one, AI YouTuber masterclass, a training class, right? So many crafting narratives that sell naturally. So many different lead magnets, right? Faceless creator ebook. All right. So, and I just wanted you to see that there's so much here that you can have access to. Now, let me show you how I went about compiling these free lead magnets and how I got them. So what we do right here, let me give me a minute. Let me do this. Okay. Let me do this right here. Okay. We come over here to this website, and this is a website that I actually designed myself because I didn't tell you this. I've actually been online for about 35 years. I spent 20 years in network marketing. I managed to build 3 large organizations in network marketing, and then I retired from network marketing. And when I retired from network marketing, I bridged over into affiliate marketing, where I actually learned how to build and design websites, marketing funnels, lead generation tools, viral marketing concepts, and the such. And now I'm happy to say, by being affiliate marketing about 15 years, I'm actually in product creation. I have my own products that's being created, and I'm really, really excited about that. Okay, so now you click that link in the description, and it's going to bring you to this website right here. All right. And when it brings you to this website right here, the first thing you want to do is this. You see, we have a timer here. You stroll down And now you see you got 3 lead magnets right here that you need to download. Okay. Now the way you go about doing that, you basically want to copy the title. You copy the title, and then you are going to right click on your mouse, and you'll save each one of these images for this lead magnet under the title that it is. Okay, you create a file on your desktop, and then you also save the description. You see the description right here, you save that. Okay, so you would do that for each one of these lead magnets. You come down here, and here are the buttons that you click to get access to them. Now, the other thing is you want to also save the URL for the lead magnet and save it to a text doc. And at the same time, you want to download the lead magnet. Now, the reason why you want to do that is so that you have both ways to get access to it. If you save the lead magnet and you save the URL, if you save the URL and then you try to come back here, then the owner of the products may delete the URL or change it to something else. And I have no control over that. But while you're here, if you download the product and you save the URL or save the URL to come back at a later time, you can do that too. But the thing is that you save the title, you save the image, its description, copy the URL, download the product, save it to a folder on your computer. All right. Now, if you come down here, the next thing you see is highly recommended featured products. What we have here is from vendors that are thoroughly reliable. With this one, Joe Therian invented a new product that can help you to get other people to build your list for you. So we put that there for that purpose to help you out as well. Here's 3 other lead magnets that you're going to get access to. And you just follow the same process. You see they're all niche specific, dealing with generating traffic, autoresponder emails, and newbie's guide to traffic generation. Okay, so these are very good courses that you can use. You can do whatever you want with them. Okay, and I also have some other things that you can do concerning repurposing the content as your own and totally change it around. But I'll put that in another video. Now, this finally is another product we have that's highly recommended. This is simply something we put here because if you're not healthy, then you cannot expect to be wealthy. Because the truth is, I know some product vendors. They got sick. They were making 6-7 figures online. Got sick. No one to run their business. They lost everything. Okay. But now you come back here. Now we're going to click this big red button. We click this big red button. Let me do it again. And then it brings us over to this website right here where it has the mega deal soon to end. Now, I put this here not to sell you, but I wanted you to see what's available here so that you don't miss out. Of course, we do have weekly free gifts, so we can click right there to get straight to the other lead magnets right here. As you can see right here, we're going to come back here. Okay, we're going to come back here so you can get access to all of this. Okay, but let's do this. Let's do this. I want to show you this really, really quick. Let's go back. And you basically come here first. I would encourage you to look at the mega deal, and the reason why, there's some more free lead magnets there for you. So we click there to check out the mega deal. And this is what the company is actually promoting right here. They have a special going on. Not trying to convince you to buy it, but they're giving 3 separate tools that you can use. The first one I'll just click Learn Zone so you can just see a little bit of it. And what it simply is this. Basically, you get access to hundreds of courses, access hundreds of ebooks, explore multiple niches. Okay, advertise your offers. That's what this is right here. But let me do this. If I go back to Click Duplicator and just say, for instance, and it's the same with all of these products that they have for the mega deal. Click Duplicator is a powerful tool that lets you display multiple URLs and pop-up boxes. Okay, so we come right here. And if you notice with this tool, $5. $5 to get a software like this that you can use to help build your business. And if you decide to go with the gold membership for $20, which I'm not promoting here for you to get. I'm just showing you how you can get additional lead magnets. You come all the way down to the bottom, and what they're going to give you is bonuses. And when they give you these bonuses, you basically, because you picked up that product, you get access to these bonuses. You can give it away on the front end and then have people to opt into a capture page and purchase the rest. Or you can simply turn all of it into lead magnets. And notice this, power of email marketing, a really popular subject right now online. Bonus number one, email marketing success. Bonus number two, lead generation redefined package. Bonus number three, that you can use as a lead magnet on the front end, and then you can turn possibly the whole course into lead magnets. Lead generation mastery. Okay, these are all different things that you can get to turn into lead magnets. Then we have automated viral list building. All right, the exact same thing, courses that you can use. But you see, it says that the timer, you missed out the timer in, but hopefully next time you will get access. But now let's go to this point. Let's click right here, claim your free gifts. And when we click that, it brings us over here to this page. And remember, weekly free gifts, same thing. Come right here, and now you have access to these free lead magnets right here. You have Fridays, and the exact same process. Save the image, the title, and then the description and the link for the free lead magnet. You basically save that as well. So you have 3 right here, plus the 6 that I'm giving you. That's 9, 10, 11, 12. And this one right here is actually a software. Okay, that's 12 that you're getting. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 with these two included. And you right. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 24 free lead magnets that you've gotten today. Okay, simply by visiting my site. I hope this information helped you. Leave me some comments to tell me what do you think. And the only thing you have to do to compile them is every Friday you come to my website to see what I have there. You click on over to this site to get whatever it is that you're going to get here. Download your lead magnets. You have from Friday to Wednesday. So from Friday to Wednesday to get access to these free lead magnets. I hope you enjoyed this video. My name is Larry D. Williams. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Click the link below in the description to get your free lead magnets now. Take care. Bye-bye.